Your online friend is from Rome, not Italy. Rome. You want to impress him. You learned.
Ciao. Pizza.
Maybe.
Mamma mia.
Bad news. That's not enough. Today, I'll teach you 5 Roman words. Use them correctly. You sound local. Use them wrong, you're dead.
Au.
It doesn't mean anything, which means it means everything. You use it to get attention,
Au.
complain,
Au.
warn someone,
Au, attento.
state the obvious,
Au.
say hello.
Au.
Same word, 5 different emotions. Pro tip: if you say it too soft, you sound scared. If you say it too strong, you're starting a fight. Sounds messy, like Rome.
Daje.
It can express encouragement,
Daje.
celebration,
Daje.
telling someone to hurry up,
Daje, daje.
agreement or acceptance,
Daje.
impatience.
E daje.
Romans use this word when they're happy, angry, drunk, tired. Basically, always. If your Roman friend scores a win and you say,
Daje.
he will respect you.
Stacce.
This one is deep,
Stacce.
means deal with it, accept it. Life is pain. Move on.
Stacce.
This is Roman philosophy. No drama, no motivation quotes, just acceptance. If you understand,
Stacce.
you understand Rome.
Una piotta.
This is old school Roman slang,
Una piotta.
means 100. It's usually used to talk about money.
So una piotta.
That's 100 euros. But it can also be used to talk about speed.
Andava una piotta.
He was going 100 kilometers per hour. So now you know. If you get 100 XP with your Roman online friend, for him, that's
Una piotta di XP. Li mortacci tua.
okay. Advanced Roman only. This is not an insult. And also, it is. You can say it when you're surprised,
Li mortacci tua.
you're angry,
Li mortacci tua.
someone did something impressive,
Li mortacci tua.
you want to express admiration with a hint of poorly hidden envy.
Mortacci tua.
Literally, it means something like, "You're ugly dead ones." Weird, right? Tone is everything. Wrong tone, you just insulted someone's entire bloodline. Right tone is basically affection. Use it at your own risk. Now go talk to your Roman friend. Say one of these words. Watch his reaction. If he laughs, you passed. If he stares at you,
Stacce.
like the video. Or don't. Rome doesn't care.